Hi guys, thought we'd just give you a quick video tour of this VW T6 in Indium Grey. We converted this one last summer, but it dawned on me, we just had it recently in to update the front end with gloss grille inserts and change the headlights to LED dynamic indicators. I thought while it was in the shop, why not give you a little bit of a tour around the van and show you what bits and pieces have been done. So like I say, front end's just had a gloss grille insert update, transport HQ LED dynamic headlights, got the gloss grille, gloss lower spoiler on there, gloss inserts around the fog lights. Van's been lowered 40mm on H&R springs, 18-inch wolf race alloys, chrome sidebars, got the Fiamma F45S awning on there. It's also fitted with 150-watt solar panel that's connected to a C-Tech battery-to-battery charger. It's also got a 240 mains charger, which is a Victron unit with the Bluetooth connectivity. Inside we've got Smart Bed's Evolution 2 rock and roll bed, loads of different lighting circuits, colour changing halo roof, under cabinet lighters, built-in twin hob and sink, Dometic CRX50 fridge, two swivelling single seats up front, so we converted this one from a double passenger seat to a single passenger seat with swivels. It's also fitted with an iDispatcher diesel heater with Easy Start Pro controller, 7-day timer. And there we have it. Thanks for watching.